Hi guys, here we've got Vivo X80 Pro, and let me show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, you have to open the messages or any other area where you can input text until you've got access to your keyboard. So here we've got the current one. To change it, tap on settings icon, now click on languages and click on add keyboard. Now just pick the language that you want to apply. As you can see, the list is truly advanced, so you'll definitely find something suitable no matter where you're from. So this is the end of the list. You can see that it is super long, and then whenever you wish to change the language, just pick the desired one, tap on done. You can remove a current language to have one language only, or you can stay with both languages. Then you will be able to switch between them via space. And that's it. As you can see, we've just changed the keyboard language. So that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.